So friend, this is a backup part 4 here. Watch my previous video, very important for you because my last video I'm already know about you what is a backup, how many type backup and how to take backup and why take backup. I'm already told you part 1, part 2, part 3. So this video part 4 continue last my previous video part 3 here, and this is important for you, and you maybe not understand, so watch my previous video must you want to watch here. So let's start continue this video. So last video I'm discussing, and you must my previous video, this is very important here. So let's continue. So you take all of our operating system completely, uh, these operating systems, all of folders and your applications and already software you install, very important your software. So you can take your data of your your systems and anything, your image systems here. So you have master your you have a second hard disk. So first hard disk in you install your operating system, so second hard disk you take your backup here. So you have no anything options, just like, because sometimes is a very important your document, your operating system software, and you are uh, your your operating system corrupt and not working for your computer here. So you can see just left side every different applications and different type tasks and anything. So just you are using as a computer, so backup is very important for your computer, and using a computer with your computer data. So this is a computer data of and the applications here. So this is a application of this application default by operating system install here. But you are restore already take backup system image, so automatically restore is your operating system full of your data and your software, and you are installed already anything you install in your software, so automatically settings anything take automatically recover your reinstall your automatically your data. So this is a very good technology for this backup here. So this is a very you can see just this drive selected is on same physical disk that is being backup, and if this fail you will lose your backup. So one hard disk fail, so second hard disk you can you recover your data. So you have must to minimum hard disk, and same you can see just here, just give me warning, and I have no second hard disk, but I'm just showing how can we take backup here. So first you select your data, and that means how can we select your data. So file in, you can see this not a partition take backup, because this is a I can take backup this partition, but I'm just take backup only main operating system, and these three partition I'm already create. How can we create a partition? So this take all of data of my this hard disk only, this hard disk, this is a system main operating system files here, all of you data. This is a, you can see I'm just click on going properties and calculate all of your data my here. So I will uh, manage my and I will arrange my so anything my whole storage space here. So 27, 26, 28, 29 GB here, and these calculate all of files, folders, anything. So this calculate after showing me all of our data, and I can take backup documents, download music, and your pictures, videos, and your computer files and operating system files, operating system driver, anything you. So this is a 36 35.5, and this showing size of 36.0. So I have 36 GB range, but this showing you know 36 GB I have no. And you can take backup your network location, because this is a network location not directly take backup, because you first you need your computer or connect with your server, but not I'm just talking about in server system. So this location of you store your data. So I have no other second hard disk, and I have no more space in my partition. So I'm just showing you only how can we take back partition. I have now 36 GB free space, maximum 20.13, and all of partition full. But select and you are other hard disk you have. Select other partitions here, and all of list showing here. Select and next, and this showing here. System result partition system result and partition C system, you can see just showing completely calculate here. And two partition not I'm taking backup, but I can take backup. And you can see this these might not be enough space backup because the selected drives. Either you remove one or more drives, or go back, choose a different location to uh, save the backup on. So this is a showing of backup my computer, and this warning give me disks sometimes fail, and one partition you create. So one partition hard disk not start your systems and not starting your. So second hard disk you have maybe, so you can recover your systems here from this. And this is completely calculating my 21.34 GB my hard disks maximum here, but I have completely 36.3 GB. I have no space anything, and I can take two partition backup and click on next. And these two type showing me system result, that means bootable boot when computer booting, you start your file here system and start backup. So this fail completely because I have no space, I have no other hard disk. So this is a very, you can same take backup and create a system repair disk. Means the system repair is a disk special why using this repair because your sometime your computer starting time, you press your power button and your computer start, and again restart and not completely starting your system. So this system recovery and repair disk means you recover your settings, you recover your corrupt files, and recover your operating system from your recover repair disk. So this automatically repair your damaged sometime file by virus, by mistake your system through. So this is a very select a CD DVD drive and insert a blank disk into drive. So you have blank disk, and boot your computer, and it also contain will system recover tools, recover window from serious area error and system computer from a system image. So sometimes because your computer not start and not working, again to again restart and not completely you start your computer. Sometimes you start your computer and start and after automatically restart, and sometimes error give computer not perfectly you work and not computer boot your start your computer. So that time these feature, this technology repair disks very important for you. You can recover your system, recover your file, recover your computer booting file. So boot means your computer start, and first your computer check your starting file. So you have use you want to use this disk repair disk. So first you need a blank CD DVD. So this is a CD DVD why using, because this main system reserve these partition in a bootable boot your computer start your first check starting Windows programming file. So this is the main file of copy in your CD DVD by your this repair disks of your program by of your backup systems. So I'm just insert my blank CD DVD and create disk. So this my system and automatically create a prepared disk, and these my automatically first check blank DVD, and second step bootable files, that mean boot starting date files, main computer files here. So you can see tap on this showing here. This my blank DVD I'm already installed, and you can see my creating disk of my system repair disk here. So you can see just here, and this system repair disk my completely create, and I can repair this my my computer. So I'm computer start button, and press button off, and start my computer, and again restart is so that time I'm using this repair disk here. So I will next video discuss this topic. Okay, so thanks for watching my video.